And today we're going to be checking out the DEERC DE81. Now this is an omni-wheel, four-wheel drive RC car for kids 6 and older. This is definitely like a toy grade RC, but an excellent beginner RC and a really fun little car. Let's open it up, get this thing going, and let you see what it can do. All right. So you can see your controller with a bunch of buttons, music, demo mode, slide modes. I say slide modes because check out this guy right here with these omni wheels. This means this thing can drive sideways, diagonally, backwards, forwards, which is a very, very cool feature. It's got a little steering wheel and some seats in there. It's got a spare tire in the back with a roll cage. This thing looks like the Warthog from Halo. And there's even an engine down here. Very cool. This is what you get with the car. You get a screwdriver for battery installation, you get a charger, and you get 2 batteries. Very cool. And let's see what is required to run the remote. You will need 2 AA batteries. Now I haven't charged this thing up yet, but there should be some charge in these batteries and I can't wait. So let's go ahead and stick a battery in here. Pretty cool. You can actually store both batteries in here so you don't lose them. That's very nice. I'm just going to store the other battery in there so I know where it's at. Put the safety screw back in, and just like that, we are ready to go. Let's turn the car on. Let's turn the remote on. We got some lights going on under here. You got LEDs that are color changing. Oh, and we have sound. Oh, music. Very cool. Whoop. And that's the demo mode. I just drove it off the table. Alright, so I think it's safer to just come drive the car over here off of the table. Now there is a demo mode. I'm going to go ahead and activate that. Here's your demo mode right here. Let's see what it does. Alright, so I'm going to go over the controls with you really quick. You have left, which because of the omni wheels, when you push left, the whole car just slides to the left. And then you have forward and back. That's normal like an RC. Now if you want to just spin in place, you got to push forward. It's like tank style steering. So you got to push forward and push to the side at the same time. Just like that. Very cool. And then you have these directions as well. If you want to travel diagonally, you just hit the arrow in the direction you want to travel. And then it's got these really cool sound modes, which you have the car sound, the music, more music, and then the demo mode also controls your LEDs as well. So let's take this thing for a little ride. We're going to see if it can go through grass, which I already know it can, but we're going to show you anyway. Just like that, easy peasy. So you can go off-road with this. It doesn't turn so well in grass. I wouldn't say it's actually made for grass. I would definitely say it's more made for concrete. But you can drive it just like a normal RC, or you can do crazy moves like that.